Okay, I am just, since I'm riding my mom's prediction about Joe Biden dropping out before November 3rd for a year straight now, since I'm riding that prediction, that horse, until it dies, I'm all in. If it happens, it's going to be epic. If it doesn't happen, boy, is Snip going to have a little egg on the face. But I gladly take it for my mom's prediction because, again, no psychic is 100% right all the time anyways. But before you think I'm trying to scapegoat out of this right now, let me show you something. 3:50 p.m. today, right before his rally, which was also in Sanford, Florida. And it was an hour and 40-minute drive roughly for me. And I'm like, oh my, I'm going to have to go through that Orlando traffic. Trump, I love you. I want to be there, but no, I can't. I love you, brother, but I can't. So Biden is coughing and hacking and playing fingers with his mask all over the place. And the fake news doesn't want to even think about discussing it. Journalism has reached the all-time low in history. Sadly, lamestream knows this and doesn't even care. You got that right. You want to hear how bad it was? Here. Let's do this.
Excuse me. I stole for the thank you for it was unexpected outlets. Not a first mother, but that's mother done. It will. I think without. Let's stand up and vote and take back this country now. Deal. The kinds of investment that will stimulate the deal.
Did he just pull down his mask and cough in his hand? No, he did not do that. That must be fake. This must be doctored or altered video.
Deal. The kinds of investment.
Jenny. Hey. My mom's name is Jenny. That's not my mom, though. It's not my mom. But it is Jenny. Yeah, so Biden is coughing and hacking and playing fingers with his mask all over the place, and the fake news doesn't want to even think about discussing it. I mean, I'm just going to remind you what my mom said a year ago. All right, let's hear what Jay Snip's mom has to say about it. You remember that movie from Waterboy? The scene from Waterboy? Mama said, Jay Snip mama said, alligator got all them teeth, can't brush the teeth with a toothbrush. Yeah, just probably the bed or something over there. Let's hear what Jay Snip's mom has to say about it. In case you're new to this channel and you haven't heard me say this 459 times now over the last year, my mom is a psychic, and she told me a year ago when we didn't know who was running for the Democrat, I mean, as far as who would be the Democratic pick, she said, I can tell you one thing, Joe Biden's going to step down. He'll cancel his campaign. And she goes, I think she was just doing like a meditation thing, or prayer, meditation. It just came in, I think. I'll ask her, because I got a sneaky suspicion he's going to drop out. And I told you, I'm going to have my mom come on live. Mom, come on. I'm going to pretend like, you're not my mom. I'm just going to interview you like I'm some news person, okay? But she said, he'll either say sickness, there's a illness, he'll say he's dropping out due to an illness, or a family matter type issue. That's what she got. Then he gets the nomination for the Democratic Party. He is the guy running, as you of course know by now. There's nobody else. It's him. It's him against Trump. She doubles down. I'm just telling you what I got. I got that he's going to step down. He'll cancel his campaign before the election. Now she never said, within 3 days of the election, a month, she didn't say, she said at November the 3rd, when that date comes, I don't see him standing there. I do not see him in the campaign, like he's going to drop out. And again, same reason, yes, illness or family matter. Okay. You called it, Mom. You called it. That hadn't happened yet, but that's what you called. So now we have Trump today talking about how sick Biden appears all of a sudden. Huh. Strange, don't you think? We give a little shout out. Here we go. In case you want to buy one of these little Trump toys. This guy makes these things in Clearwater, Florida. OurFriendlyForest.com. Green Straw LLC, Clearwater, Florida. 727-210-6142. What does it do, you ask? I'm glad you asked. You just press this little red button. Watch this. Put it right by the mic for you.
I don't frankly have time for total political correctness, and this country doesn't have time either.
Press it again.
We are transferring power from Washington, D.C., and giving it back to you, the people.
Press it again.
I love the First Amendment. Nobody loves it better than me. Nobody. Who uses it more than I do?
Next.
Basically, all I've done is keep my promise.
Promise is kept. There's a website, Promise is Kept. I think it's just called promiseskept.com. Let me double check that. Promiseskept.com. That's it. Promises made, promises kept. Okay, just double checking. Press the button again. What else has he got to say?
Fox and Friends in the morning, they're very honorable people.
Okay, what else?
From this day forward, it's going to be only America first. ISIS has spread like cancer. Another mess I inherited. When you open your heart to patriotism, there is no room for prejudice. Tomorrow they will say, Donald Trump rants and raves at the press. I'm not ranting and raving. I'm just telling you, you're dishonest people.
Dishonest because you won't even talk about Biden coughing and hacking all over the place all of a sudden. Days, couple weeks, whatever, away from the election, 2.5 weeks or so. He's getting... Okay. Just saying. Someone appears to have an effing illness. Someone appears to have caught a cold. Jason and for his mom. First choice. He's either gonna... The excuse of him dropping out, sickness, illness, or family matter issue. She goes, that's what I got, and that's what I'm sticking by. That's what I'm going to say, because that's what I got. And again, you miss it, Mom. You got a lot of stuff right before, you have in the past, and I'm sure when you read people now, you're not perfect either. Yeah, good job, Mom. Holy crap. She's getting pretty close. If he doesn't drop out right now, the fact that he's getting sick right now, with, again, days, 2 weeks from the election, come on. You got to say, okay, that's pretty interesting, to say the least. Now, when all Don, the big Don, Trump, got his illness, I got COVID, I'm cured. Have a nice day. Whoa, that was fast. Did you see him coughing and hacking? Nope. Just an announcement. And again, is it just optics anyways? Whatever. The announcement, he's in the hospital, he's out of the hospital, he's cured. Okay, whoa. Biden coughing, hacking, playing face mask games, and he does sound sick, doesn't he? He sounds like he's a little sick. So, I don't know how many more Trump things, the songs this thing, maybe I have a whole bunch. I don't want to keep pressing it all night long. But I will do one more on the way out.
And then I tweeted, I have many millions between Facebook and Twitter. It's great. It's like owning a newspaper without the losses. It's incredible.